Hello everyone, I am replacing the battery of my Acorn lift. So I decided to make a small video. So this may be helpful for someone. We have Acorn Super Glide 130 and 120 also is almost same style. So this video will be suitable for any model and we will continue from here. Okay, so the first step will be there is four screws, one, two, and other side also there is two screws. And tricky part is you need a small screwdriver which can fit inside easily to open those four screws. So we going to remove this clip. It's flexible, and then this boot is also you can open with, this is connected with velcro. So open this velcro and remove. So with next step we going to remove four screws, one, two, and two on other side. So we have to remove all four screws. Then we going to remove another screw to remove this flap. This is the fifth screw. Like this. After removing the screws, we have to remove this main cover. For that it's little tricky. We have to push this up and then basically pull this out gently to make sure we don't break, like this, and then on other side. And then we have to do same thing, push up and carefully pop this thing out so the cover is free now from both sides. Removing the cover, screws and front plate, then we have to pull this up and there is a plate underneath, so just pull it out. The whole cover is going to come out easily without any struggle. I forgot to tell you, before removing cover, make sure power is disconnected and it's off, because now we're going to replace these batteries. First check the fuse. Sometimes fuse is blown, so let's check this fuse. Fuse looks okay, so we can put it back. So we have to cut this cable tie. This is a big cable tie. I'm going to cut this out. And remove this cable tie, and after that we're going to unscrew those two holding clips and to remove the batteries. After removing both, remove this battery by removing the connector. So this is one battery is out. This is 12 volt 7 Ah battery, so we're going to replace those two. So this is it's connected in a series with this U connection to convert into 12 to 24 volt to give more power. Here's what is the voltage is showing. So only 1.4. This should be above 13 volt if it's fully charged. So these batteries are dead and we have to replace. So I have new batteries. Let's check the voltage. It is showing 12.7, almost 13, which is good. So now we're going to install these batteries into that. Are re-securing the batteries. After securing the metal clips and the batteries, we connecting the wires. Negative, positive and negative are connected with U wire to put these batteries in series, and then the positive here. So all the wiring is connected, secure, and the batteries are mounted back. So we have tie wraps. We're going to put it back to secure this wiring. Basically this tie wrap is just to keep these clips in place. So now everything is done. We're going to put this cover back. We put this back here. So it's easier if you remove this one have two clips, pops out, and then you can put this back very easily without any struggle, and then this thing can just go back. So we have completed our work. Everything is put back together and we have no error codes. It's ready to go. So let's test. So it's going up and everything looks working.